Actress Anushka Sharma, who is all set to welcome her first child with hubby Virat Kohli, was snapped outside a clinic in Mumbai's Bandra area. Anushka opted for a black long sweatshirt, which she paired up with white sneakers. Virat looked stylish in grey tee and pants. He completed the look with bomber jacket. Anushka on Wednesday slammed the publication for invading her and her husband's privacy. On her Instagram story, Anushka wrote, "Despite requesting the set photographer and the publication, they still continue to invade our privacy. Guys, stop this right now." Virat and Anushka tied the knot on December 11, 2017. The couple had a destination wedding in Italy. Katrina Kaif's sister Isabel Kaif celebrated her birthday with the media on Wednesday. Clad in printed short dress, Isabel looked absolutely stunning. The beautiful actress kept her hair open and cut a cake with the babs. Her sister Katrina posted a loving message on her birthday. Katrina posted a video on Instagram where she is seen having fun with her sister, making an Instagram reel. "Happy birthday, sister. Here's to taking all of life's turn together," she wrote as caption. Actress Kangana Ranaut on Thursday posted a video on Instagram where she is seen indulging in a Pilates session along with her trainer Namrata Purohit. In the video, Kangana can be seen wearing grey top and black lycra pants. "Jo fit hai wo hit hai," Kangana captioned the post. Meanwhile, on the work front, Kangana has started prepping for her next film Thakar. She recently hosted a special brunch for the crew of the film to mark the beginning of the new year. She will also be seen in films such as Thalaivi and Tejas. After getting accolades for helping migrants during the COVID-19 lockdown, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood and the BMC have locked horns over his premises in Juhu here. The BMC has lodged a police complaint against Sood, accusing him of illegally converting his 6-storied home in Shakti Sagar building in Juhu without getting proper permissions. Following a complaint by a social activist, the BMC filed its complaint with the Juhu police station invoking the Maharashtra Region and Town Planning Act. The police are now probing the matter before proceeding further. On his part, Sood has claimed that he has done nothing illegal, secured all the necessary permissions and was only awaiting a nod from the Maharashtra Coastal Zone Management Authority. Back in June 2018, Sood had submitted an application to the BMC K West Ward Building Proposal Department, proposing to convert his residential premises into lodging cum boarding facility. The BMC returned the proposal in September 2018, directing him to comply with all the norms and submit an amended proposal, which has reportedly not been done so far. The opposition Bharatiya Janata Party slammed the BMC move, alleging it was an act of vendetta on the lines of action taken against actress Kangana Ranaut. BJP spokesperson Ram Kadam questioned how, when the same premises were turned into quarantine facility last year by the BMC and there was nothing wrong, it now suddenly found the premises to be illegal and asked the civil body to beware of targeting a famous personality. Actor Pankaj Tripathi's starrer film Kagaz is finally released. A special screening was held for the family of the film cast in Mumbai on Wednesday evening. During the media interaction, when Pankaj and Satish were asked about the film, they said,
इस दिन नहीं आ पाया था, शूटिंग में था. अभी आप मेरी ही फिल्म है, अपनी फिल्म की क्या तारीफ करूं, मेरी आंखें देखेंगे थोड़ी गीली है. तो मैं सर को बोल रहा था कि क्या बनाए हैं. बस आए थे हम, बड़ा निजी सा था, घर के कुछ मेंबर आए थे, देखना था उन्हीं को. सो होपफुली अब लोग देखेंगे और हमें, मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. मैं इनफैक्ट पहली बार देख रहा हूँ आज.
हाँ, पहली बार
सो मेरे लिए नई थी, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा भावुक भी हो गया.
एक्चुअली क्या पिक्चर देख करके ऐसा लगता है कि पंकज के अलावा शायद ये रोल कोई कर नहीं सकता था। ये मेरे को ऐसे रिएक्शन मिले हैं कि मतलब ये भरतलाल मृतक का रोल जो है ये पंकज के अलावा किसी को मतलब सूट कर ही नहीं सकता, ना कोई कर सकता था। जिस तरह का मतलब डिग्निटी डाली है, जो प्यार डाला है मतलब, और जो जिस तरह की सतही परफॉर्मेंस है, जो कैरेक्टर को समझा है मतलब, वो पंकज के बहुत करीब है। गांव का कैरेक्टर है तो गांव का तो बाशिंदा है भाई। हम दोनों ही गांव के हैं असल में हम दोनों की विलेजर आइडेंटिटी जो हमारी है ना अंदर हमारे कण कण में बसी हुई है असल में।
सतीश जी, पंकज जी, जैसा कि सतीश जी ने कहा, आपके अलावा ये कैरेक्टर कोई नहीं थी। इस समय पूरी इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ अगर बात चल रही तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी। तो बताइए, और ये जहां 2020 से लोग परेशान थे, आपके एक से एक प्रोजेक्ट आए, लोगों ने अप्रिसिएट किया।
हाँ,
ये कैसे देखते हैं आप हर जगह, मतलब आपका टाइम जिस तरह से चल रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, आई थिंक मेहनत और ईमानदारी से लगा हुआ हूँ कई सालों से, सो उसका प्रतिफल है। और सिनेमा थिएटर बंद थे तो हम लोगों के घर तक पहुंच गए OTT के थ्रू। कागज़ भी कल आज ही रात को आएगी, इनफैक्ट आज रात नाइट 12 बजे से ZEE5 पे आ जाएगी। और जो अभी मैं
The story of the film is based in a real-life incident that happened to a farmer and social activist named Lal Bihari. In the film, Tripathi plays a bandmaster who discovers he is officially dead in government records and decides to fight to set things right. The film also features Amar Upadhyay, Monal Gajjar and Satish Kaushik.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.